Welcome. If you're finding the vibration for Snapchat story reminder notifications a bit too much and want to turn it off, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the simple and updated steps to disable that vibration so your phone stays a little quieter when those story reminders pop up. First, open your phone's Settings app. This is where you control everything about your device, including notifications from all your apps. Once you're in Settings, look for the section called Apps or Applications. Tap on that to see a list of all the apps installed on your device. Scroll down until you find Snapchat and tap on it. This will take you to the app-specific settings, where you can adjust permissions, storage, and importantly, notifications. Look for the Notifications option and tap on it. Here, you'll see a detailed menu of notification settings specifically for Snapchat. To get to the vibration controls for story reminders, tap on Notification Categories. This is where different types of notifications are grouped, usually based on their purpose or content. Under the Friends category, you'll find Story Reminders. Tap on that. Now you're inside the settings for story reminder notifications. Here, you'll see an option called Vibrate, which controls whether your phone vibrates when these notifications arrive. Simply toggle the Vibrate switch off. Once you do this, your phone will no longer vibrate when a story reminder notification from Snapchat comes through. You can still receive the notification sound or visual notification, but without the vibration. And that's it. You've successfully disabled vibration for story reminders on Snapchat, keeping your phone a bit quieter without missing any important alerts. If you ever want the vibration back, you can follow the same steps and toggle it on again. Thanks for watching.